So today we're going to use a product called LC Bright.
Mm-hmm.
And that product contains targeted growth factors.
Mm-hmm.
And it stimulates regeneration of skin.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll see a thickening of the skin. As we age, our skin gets thinner and it's not as bouncy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying yours is real thin, but it does give you a bouncier looking skin surface. It also speeds healing. So typically microneedling might take 3 to 5 days for it to look normal.
Mm-hmm.
Usually if we use the targeted growth factors, you look totally normal within 24 to 48 hours. Like tomorrow, you'll look like you've got a sunburn.
Mm-hmm.
By the next day, it should be almost normal looking.
Mm-hmm.
Today, this afternoon, you're gonna look like you've got a pretty good sunburn.
Mm-hmm.
It'll also feel rough to you for 3 to 5 days because we're roughing up the skin surface. This actually works by needles going in and out, teeny tiny needles. You can't really even see them. If you try it, like you have to almost get a magnifying glass to see that it's a needle. But teeny tiny needles that go in and out the skin surface to produce an irritation to the skin that stimulates the repair process, which is what's going to cause you to form collagen, to tighten and firm the surface, in addition to stimulating regeneration or remodeling of the skin.
Okay.
So,
Makes sense.
so because we're puncturing the surface of the skin, your skin's going to feel rough for the next 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
Okay.
How long should I not wear makeup?
If you can do it, I would recommend that you not wear makeup for 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
Face makeup like foundation. As you start to get numb, it feels really strange. You know how your lips feel really fat when you get numbed for the dentist? Your whole face feels weird like that.
Okay.
So, and to me, like when the tissue around your eyes gets numb, my eyes feel bulgy.
Okay.
So that's just the way it feels when your face is numb. So don't let that all throw you off or scare you or anything like that. Okay. All right. We've already talked about like what to expect over the next few days. I don't really have any downsides to tell you except that your face is going to feel rough. You can get some bruising. It's not usual, but it can happen occasionally. We'll hit a little capillary and you can get some bruising, but usually the bruises heal really quickly because, again, we're using the targeted growth factors with this, which speeds up the healing process. So instead of having a regular time of healing process, that's going to be speeded up. So even the bruises get better faster, usually. So don't usually expect the bruises, but it can happen. There's not really any negative. Occasionally people can get a little breakout because the needles are going in and out. If some bacteria goes in, it can cause you to get a little breakout. So sometimes you just have to work through that for a couple of days. But then once that all clears, you're going to see this nice, tight, glowy skin surface.